I'm about to show you what I consider magic for solving a lot of math problems, especially multiplication and division. Now, most young people I'm finding do not memorize their multiplication tables. And if you memorize your multiplication tables, your life will be 100% easier this year, next year. You're going to keep getting it every year. You're going to keep getting the same stuff, and it's going to get harder and harder. So you need to know the basics now. And ladies and gentlemen, in the back of your composition books, you have a multiplication table chart, okay? And you're familiar with it, and if you're not, look at it and memorize them. Memorize them. So, like, 9 times 9 is 81. See, that's in my head. So 81 divided by 9 is 9, because it's reversed, right? So 12 times 12 is 144. So 144 divided by 12 is 12. So when you know these things, you know 6 times 6 is 36. 9 times 9 is 81. See what I'm saying? 3 times 3 is 9. Okay, 5 times 5 is 25. So it's all in here. It's all in here. But you got to put it in here, because when you take a test, they may not let you use the multiplication tables. So whenever you learn something like 12 times 12 is 144, remember it. Don't just go, oh yeah, I got the answer. No, you have to remember that 12 times 12 is 144. So it'll make your life easier. You have to remember that 9 times 9 is 81. You have to remember that 6 times 6 is 36. You got to remember that 7 times 6 is 42. Let me see. 7 plus 7 plus, okay, I know it is. All right. Anyway, see, that's the long way. 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus. No, just put it in your head, Fred. Okay, so check this out. Like this one here, we get closer. 7 times what is 40? Oh no, 490. See, I said 49 almost. 7 times what number is 490? Find the missing number. Now, if you look on the computer or in your multiplication chart in your book, you will see that 7 times 7 is 49. All you got to do is put 7 and then add a 0. It's 70. So 7 times 70 is 49. Now, there's so many ways to do this that I could show you, but we'd be here forever. All right, but I'm just trying to give you basics. Maybe I'll show you another way real quick. 7 times 7 is 49, but we got to put that 0. So that's 70 times 7 is 490. To prove that you're right, you could do 490 divided by 7 is 70. You could do 70 times 7 is 490. You could play with it in different ways. And a nice game for you and your friends to play that will help you all learn something, because you're putting hours into gaming and phones and computers and all of this and TikTok and Facebook, not Facebook, Snapchat and all that stuff, right? So take 10 minutes a night, or take some time with your friends and say, okay, what's 7 times 7? What girly pop diva, what's 7 times 7? Yo, my ninja, what's 8 times 8? And y'all can play that game, get flashcards. Once you learn this, school's gonna be easy peasy, lemons squeezy, believe me. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? All right, that's it. So that's one way, okay? I'll come back with another way in a few minutes. Come to the next video.